Imagine this, if Alexander the Great had drones flying over enemy camps, or if Genghis Khan had nuclear weapons instead of bows and arrows, how different would our world look today? History has always changed from one era to another, but one thing has always remained the same: the deep connection between war and technology. Ancient times, thousands of years ago, battles were fought face to face. Victory didn't come from numbers alone, but from strategy and the weapons available. Alexander the Great didn't just rely on the size of his army. His success came from speed, surprise, and clever formations like the phalanx. The Roman Empire built massive roads to move armies quickly, and invented siege machines to destroy enemy walls. The Mongols shocked the world with fast horses, powerful bows, and psychological warfare, creating one of the largest empires in history. The lesson was clear: whoever had better tools and smarter tactics usually won. The gunpowder revolution. Centuries later, gunpowder changed everything. Cannons destroyed castles, and rifles made armored knights useless. In World War I, machine guns, tanks, poison gas, and trench warfare caused unimaginable destruction. But the true turning point came in World War II, when the atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It ended the war, but also changed human history forever. The present day, today. The battlefield looks completely different. Drones can strike from thousands of miles away without a pilot. Cyber warfare can cripple economies and steal secrets without firing a bullet. Artificial intelligence is now used in military planning and defense systems. In the past, armies hid at night to surprise their enemies. Today, satellites in space watch every single move. The future of war. What about the future? Wars may look nothing like today. Robot soldiers could replace humans on the battlefield. Hypersonic missiles might cross entire continents in minutes. And one day, wars may not even happen on Earth, but in space, future history books might say. The first space war was fought between satellites and artificial intelligence. Ending. So what does history teach us? Whoever mastered new technology changed the world. From swords to gunpowder, from tanks to nuclear bombs, and now from drones to AI, every era has been defined by technology. And remember, today's technology will become tomorrow's history. What do you think? Will humans still fight wars in the future? Or will robots take our place? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoy exploring the hidden secrets of history and technology, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.